Hi everybody, welcome back to Island Mama, where we love food and travel. Today we are in the kitchen, but not in the kitchen. We are outside in the backyard doing a cook on our cooking section of our barbecue pit. We're going to make spaghetti and meatballs. We're going to use minced chicken, spaghetti, and make a sauce. And our little twist on this, of course we put a twist on everything, is we're going to use our Korean paste. Here we go. Join me. Let's see how it goes. Come on. And as our water is boiling, what we want to do here is remember to put in a pinch of salt and also some oil. And what does this oil do? This oil will help prevent the spaghetti from clumping up. And remember, we want to keep in mind that we want to create spaghetti that is al dente. Let's go. So while our spaghetti is boiling, we want to season up our minced meat and to 2 pounds of minced chicken. We are going to put in 2 teaspoons of salt. We are going to take our blended seasoning that we have beautifully blended up, which is pimento, garlic, onion, chive, and bandania, of course. To this, we want to add 2 tablespoons of our chili paste. And I forgot to mention this, but we are also using chili flakes. This helps complement our overall Korean flavor. Here we go. And as you can see, our spaghetti has doubled in size. We need just a little more boiling again. Here we go. And at the same time, I'm just making my meatballs, frying it, and just be comfortable with yourself. If you want to use a spoon and make your balls, go right ahead. If not, do like me. I'm just making it with my hand. Simple, easy, freelance it. Here we go. And I've already strained my spaghetti and I'm onto my meat sauce. Now I did a comparison here because I normally use tomato paste to make my sauce. It comes out thick and nice, but I found this pizza sauce in my cupboard and I decided to try it. Just for your little knowledge, this pizza sauce was thinner than I expected, so I definitely prefer tomato paste. And always remember to season your sauce now. So we want a pinch of salt, we want at least a tablespoon of sugar, pimento pepper, garlic, onion powder, garlic powder. There you go. And when you're satisfied with your flavor, add 1 tablespoon of butter and stir in your meatballs. Get it all coated evenly. We're not done yet. Don't forget, we need to top up our flavor now. So we want our Korean spices back in our pot with a little bit of water. We're going to bring it to a boil and just have enough sauce for our spaghetti now. That's what we're looking for. A saucy, nice spaghetti and meatball. And guess what my garden has? You got it. Chive. So I'm going to garnish our plate with it. Oh my gosh, it looks so yummy. My fork is just biting into that spaghetti perfectly because it's not gooey, it's not sappy, it's a perfect texture. And those meatballs look so moist. And now for the taste test. I absolutely love that spicy fermented taste of that Korean paste. See you on the next video. We're heading outdoors.